Kazungu here, and today I'd like to share another episode of the forest. And here we have one of the jumbos, the elephants. Yes, this side, the forest, and there have been many efforts that have been made to conserve the forest, and this is one of the animals that many efforts are made to ensure that this forest is safe, this forest is secured, conserved, so that these animals can have a place they can call home. So the jumbos using here, and it's a great moment to use this moment. Yes. So for the MTB, that is the Arabuko-Sokoke Forest Challenge, it's the idea behind it was to raise funds and also to create awareness on conservation of the Arabuko-Sokoke Forest. And we have the jumbos, the elephants, that is one of the animals that is found in the Arabuko-Sokoke Forest. Great. So this is a male elephant. Yes, this is a male elephant. So in conservation, usually it's not about caring for the trees only, but also need to properly solid waste management, manage our waste very well. So here you can see there's several papers which have really posed a threat to our animals in the national parks and national reserves. So wherever you are, make sure you manage your waste well, dispose it wherever it's recommended, and also, if possible, reduce, reuse, or recycle the waste that you produce. Yes, so this plastic, the plastic that really been a mess to our ecosystem. So wherever you are, wherever you are seeing this, environmental conservation is not only caring for the plants or trees. Environmental conservation also refers to caring for animals. Environmental conservation also refers to avoid or manage your waste. So care for that, and also it will be important. So I'd like also to share another thing about the difference between the bushy elephant or the savanna elephants of Arabuko-Sokoke forest and also the savanna elephants of Tsavo, or in the found in Tsavo. So this the tusks of the elephants of Arabuko-Sokoke forest are very short, and this is to enable them maneuver very well in the forest. Yes, or to move very well in the forest. So, and while in the other elephants of Tsavo, which are in the grasslands, they help in they have very long tusks because they have the maneuver or they move in open grounds. I hope that you have learned something from the video, but please, environmental conservation means caring for plants, caring for animals, and also avoid pollution or dispose your waste very well. Thank you for your time. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, click subscribe, kindly subscribe, like, comment, and share. See you next time, and have a good day.